To replace the controller, you will need to carefully lay the kiln on its back or turn it completely upside down so that you can more easily gain access to the controller located within this lower section. Please take a thin, flat object, such as a ruler, and then very carefully insert it into this exact spot until you hear a slight clicking sound. Press it down firmly, and now you may very carefully attempt to remove it. Now please take a different controller unit in its place instead. Please carefully insert it back into the exact same position and then proceed to remove it once again, doing so with very great care. In this particular case, I am replacing the REX-C100 with the XMTG-7000 programmable controller unit in its place instead. Carefully insert it back into the exact same position, then press it in gently and firmly until you clearly hear a very distinct clicking sound. Right then, the controller is now completely ready for operation.